freaking morning, people. 5:30 a.m.
I've never gotten up this early.
Really? Seen your sunrise?
I came here at 7.
Dang! You did! You got there late!
Yeah, I got there.
Oh my gosh. The sun is basically already risen, but look at these two beauties. It's
Risen.
technically still rising, but we're at the beach. Good freaking morning! Good girl! Good girl comes to the beach. The sun already rose!
We got up just for you guys.
But it's Anders that we're gonna
Yeah.
What's with the sunglasses?
Where do you think you'll be in the next 10 years?
10 years? Sorry, I'm like genuinely thinking I'll be a teacher. I'll have hopefully built my classroom a little bit because I'll be like, what, 5 years into teaching? Yeah.
Aw, can I be your student?
Yeah, can I come too? Be your student?
Will you teach me, Miss Taze?
Miss Taze.
Miss Haybeck? Because you'll be married.
Miss Taze.
Nemo?
In 10 years, I'll be a nurse.
Oh wait, funeral song?
I was like, no.
What? I remember she was like, I want this to be playing my funeral. I was like, what happened to your wedding?
Well, you never know. But also, you're probably more likely to die. Actually, I don't know what the statistics
Did you just
are.
say you're more likely to die than get married?
We just got up.
No, but like... The thing is, you have time to plan your wedding. If I die right now, how would they know what to play at my funeral? Exactly, they wouldn't know. Wedding, like, you got time. Honestly valid. Because positivity, radiate positivity.
Oh.
Actually, once in a while.
Got French toast with hash browns. Nemo got pancakes, Olivia got pancakes, Alexis got wait, what are they called? Potato pancakes, so did Maria. Anders got kids menu.
Look at that, that's fire, that's $6.
Guys, guess where we're freaking at again? Yeah?
I was smiling.
7 brew. Hey, pass around the camera and do a little rating.
Hi guys. I feel like I'm not recording this well, but I got like a blue raspberry fizz and it's really good. Cheers. Okay, your turn.
I got strawberry, watermelon, peach mango, cherry, I don't know, something else like that. It's good.
Cheers
It's
to
lemonade.
camera. Cheers to camera. Boom. Olivia, what did you get?
Oh, that's good. This is a cookie butter latte.
Cotton candy lemonade.
You're gonna like it.
Look at these hiking baddies.
Just ignore the drinks that are totally like granola.
You say, I just wanna be with you. Way, but since you been gone, so moving on, get what I want. Chillax. Hashtag sensory swing.
Put it like higher up.
Great idea, Alexis. Olivia says you can't even see. Hello. Oh, hi. Peekaboo. Hi. Ready to? My earring is stuck. Gotta go find Nemo. Glasses are. No. Go get her. Oh my gosh. Take me home, country road. Hi.
Okay, come pick up our friends with me. Okay, Anders, let's go.
Let's go, Anders.
Yeah, come on.
Oh. Ew, why are they wet? That's disgusting.
Alright guys, let's go.
Okay, group leader Olivia. The way they all just followed. backpack.
You should bomb in my backpack.
What did you just say? Gosh! Did you hear that? Not okay. Not okay. Hi. We're taking graduation picture. Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
Hey, vlog.
How they say dab on the haters, Irish jig on the haters. This is how I'm gonna walk at graduation. I'm the principal on the school board. Ready?
De baixo pra cima, tu senta de